Hey guys, I am back with another Naja Hall Beauty product review. This time I am using the Absolute Eyes eyeshadow palette. This palette comes with 30 different colors. Now y'all have to bear with me because I'll admit that I'm a novice when it comes to eyeshadow application. However, these shadows are so pretty and so pigmented that I still was able to pull off the look despite not knowing what the hell I was doing. So I went over my lid with the shade You Got It, which is like this burnt orangey brown. And then she has this beautiful shimmer, Cheers to You, that I applied to my lid on the inner corner of my eye. And then on the outside of my eye, I used the Gold Getter shade to just provide a bit of contrast and help blend that together. And it came out really nice. I was shocked at how well I did, despite the fact that my eyeshadow skills are not that great. And then, of course, I'm going to go in and do mascara. I'm doing my lashes, and which I absolutely love these lashes. These are from Juvia's Place, just in case you were wondering. And now I am going to go in with my lips. So I got the Naja Hall lip liner. This is in the shade Unbothered, which is a beautiful bright red. The liner goes on really, really well, really smooth. This is my first time actually using a red lip liner, so I kind of branched out and did something a little different, and I absolutely love the way this came out. After that, I'm going to go in with her 12-hour liquid lipstick. This is in the same shade, Unbothered. This beautiful, sexy, bright red color. And y'all, this stuff stays on for a significant amount of time. You don't have to worry about eating this away. This really held up for a few hours. I was actually impressed. But this came out really nice. One of my favorite red lipsticks to use now. I use this on a regular basis, actually. So I'm about to finish this up here, and y'all are going to see the final look in just a second. Voila. Y'all, I absolutely loved the eyeshadow palette and the lipstick together. It was a beautiful combination. I highly recommend y'all support and get these products.